How to get a Base44 app onto the App Store and the Play Store. The route is a wrapper. You publish the web app, wrap it into a native build, and submit those. I will also be straight with you about what the stores will and will not accept. So let's start in Base44 and in apps. Open the app you want to ship. Make sure it is the one you are happy for people to use as is, because what goes into the wrapper is exactly what they get. Publish it first. This matters. The wrapper needs a live, publicly reachable address. An unpublished app has nothing for the build to point at. Once it is live, copy the published URL. That single address is the input for everything that follows. Now, a wrapper service. I am using median.co here because it is straightforward, but it is one option among several. The approach is the same no matter which one you pick. Paste your Base44 address in and start a build. This is genuinely the whole input at this stage. Name the app. This is the name that appears under the icon, so it creates as a product decision, and choose iOS, Android, or both. Then hit build. iOS first and then Android after. This takes a while, so leave it running rather than watching the bar. When it finishes, open build and download. You get three things: the source code as a native project, an IPA for iOS, and an AAB for Android. Those last two are what you upload to the source. For iOS, you need an Apple developer account, which is $99 per year. You upload the IPA through the App Store Connect and then wait on review, which typically takes a few days. Google Play is a one-off $25 registration and reviews faster. Though be aware, Google now requires a period of closed testing before you can go to production. Now, the part most videos on this leave out: both stores explicitly reject apps that are just a website in a shell with no native value. Apple is stricter about it, but neither will wave it through. So, before you submit, add something native: push notifications, offline behavior, a device feature, real navigation. A wrapper is a delivery mechanism, not the product. And if the app is only a bookmark, expect a rejection and plan for it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.